Well, this is it. All the months of planning, all the months of production, all culminate in this big event kicking off tonight. We're gonna be doing a bunch of final rehearsals today, last minute run-throughs on all of the video, graphic elements, you name it, it's gonna happen today. The doors open at 5 p.m. and this thing will be off and running. Side note, we've got the best lighting guy anywhere. Holy cow, it looks so stinking cool in here. We just got through a really intense couple, 3 hours of just rehearsing the opening number. It's about a 10-minute mix of dancing and music and into a live music element and a lot of video. You just gotta take my word for it. It is unreal. It's really gonna set an amazing tone for this weekend. I think we are done with rehearsals right now. We're always a little bit in the gray area on whether or not we are done. Depends on the music instruments and people at times. But this is just gonna be a really, really killer kickoff tonight. I do not say this to be patronizing. I wish I could show you all of what is going on to make so many different parts and pieces and layers of this thing to come together between audio, video, lighting, TV. It's really quite amazing when you see so many people just rocking all together, all at the same time. That's the part that will always fire me up. See, this is a ticketed event, but it's open seating. So this is like Southwest Airlines, but you're in the size of a hockey arena. Everybody jockeying for seats. I got back to the hotel and realized that I didn't really shoot much of a proper close for this vlog, but it's hard to put it into words just how amazing the whole night was. Yeah, we had some glitches, but I feel like we do all the time. You have that many moving pieces, that much personnel, that much gear. Inevitably, you're going to have some hiccups, but the beautiful part is I work with such amazing people, and it doesn't matter how many speed bumps we hit, we just keep rolling, and you just wouldn't believe how many people there are working behind the scenes to make sure that stuff goes flawless. Tonight was a perfect example of that because the big stuff went fantastic. Hiccups on the little stuff, you roll right past it and just get the night done. We're gonna have a really long day tomorrow. A lot of stuff to get through again. I'm exhausted, but at the same time, I'm all jacked up about getting to go back and do it again. So, thanks for watching this. Please, if this has been any kind of entertainment for you, give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you tomorrow.